Okay, second voice. Candidate number
Alaga,
1.
second voice.
Wait!
3 point. Go.
Oh, walang puputi! Walang puputi! Candidate number 2. Candidate number 3. Okay, another voice.
Number 3.
Laawa nga is
Number 3. 3, umuna ka.
Ikaw, 3, number 3.
2. Okay, thank you. Okay, last voice. Okay.
Tawan lang eh.
Wait!
Oh, madamit kayo. Digest natin.
Turn, nakasurat na. Turn to your left and right.
Apa, alam drama.
Okay,
I
go.
vote ang turn to left and right.
Casual interview, abad ka candidate number 1.
Your time. Go! Go! Pangig mo na question.
Puro English ah, puro English ah.
Okay. Carry lang.
Carry
It's
lang.
normal for human to
Isang
earn.
isang pagkain.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite pie is
Why?
Why? Why?
Specify. Specify. What kind of robot?
Special siya, transformer.
Spell transformer.
Spell transformer.
Pwede ghost na
And
lang.
why?
Ano lang babae?
Transformers.
Ay, transformer. Okay, and why?
Because transformer is robot.
Because
Transformer is Why?
very good.
As we grow up, as a little child, and your mother born you in this
Burn.
born you in this continental earth.
Ano continental earth?
So what are you doing?
Okay, thank you.
Lahat kayo.
Question na.
Palpasin.
As we grow up, I think transformer is related to my life because as we grow up and grow up at a high of a mountain, I think
Thank you.
Siyempre na, nabayan, sino pa ginagawa?
as today as
Ikaw yung iba-game na may aba. Deloitte, check pa question.
I would like to show my talent.
Oh,